Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel Speak Kashmiri Easily. In this lesson, we will learn to make sentences using the gerund form of verbs in the Kashmiri language. Let's get started. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me. Buchus biskut khavan. I am eating a biscuit. Buchus bat khavan. I am eating food. Buchus chai chawan. I am drinking tea. Buchus les chawan. I am drinking lassi. Buchus kam karan. I am doing my work. Buchus nyandir karan. I am sleeping. Buchus banduk chalawan. I am firing using a gun. Buchus gad chalawan. I am driving a car. Buchus kangar banawan. I am making a fire pot. Buchus makan banawan. I am making a house. Buchus sun ranan. I am cooking vegetables. Sometimes sun is also used for meat. So in that case, Buchus sun ranan would mean I am cooking meat. Buchus thul ranan. I am cooking eggs. It's very important to remember that the gerund form in all these sentences ends with an. For example, khavan, karan, and ranan. Now, buchus, as we already know from the previous lessons, is used by boys. In case a girl has to speak the same sentence, she would use buchas instead of buchus. Both buchus and buchas mean I am in Kashmiri. In case we have to use the same sentences in the past tense, buchus will become buosus and buchas will become buursus. Ursus. Remember that you have to stress on the first A of ursus. Some examples. Buosus biskut khavan. I was eating a biscuit. Buosus les chavan. I was drinking lassi. Buosus nendir karan. I was sleeping. Buursus kangar banawan. A girl is saying, I was making a fire pot. Buursus makan banawan. Again, a girl is saying, I was making a house or I was constructing a house. Buursus sun ranan. I was cooking vegetables. Let's do a quick recap. The basic formula to use and make such sentences is who, followed by noun, and then the verb in the right format. Who in this lesson we learnt are of four forms for the purpose of present tense and past tense. Buchos and buchas is the present tense. Buosus and buursus is the past tense. Then you have whole lot of nouns explained at the end of this lesson that you can use to form these sentences and in the end use the right form of the verb like khavan, chavan, karan, chalawan, banawan and ranan. That's it in today's lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.